Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. And today we are here to discuss the low. Sorry. And today we are here to discuss the current phenomenon that is happening currently, and that is the local rain formation, the role of local heating, and environmental factors. Um Before we start, let me introduce myself and my team. I am Muhammad Aliafi Rantizi.
I am Izam Pratama.
And I am Muhammad Dava Rizky.
All right, without further ado, let's start the presentation. Next.
What causes it? The cause of local rain is intense solar heating during the day, which trigger the rise of hot, humid air forming local cumulonimbus clouds. Is convection process, coupled with variation in ground surface temperature, humidity, and uneven wind direction, so that clouds form sporadical and rain falls only in a certain area for a short duration, often in the afternoon or evening.
Now, here is the process of local rainfall, and the first one is local heating. So, when sunlight heats the Earth's surface unevenly, causing some areas, such as urban areas with concrete or asphalt, to become hotter than the surrounding areas. That's one of them. And the second one is convection. Now, when hot and moist air in warm areas rises into the atmosphere, forming it'll form a rain clouds such as cumulus or cumulon, cumulonimbus clouds. And third one is sporadic cloud growth. Due to varying heating and humidity, these clouds grow unevenly or sporadically in small areas only. And the fourth one is wind and topography. Unstable winds or air currents flowing towards high ground, hills, and mountains also play a big role in gathering clouds in certain locations. And finally, we have rainfall. Now, when sorry, clouds that are heavy enough will release their water as heavy but short-lived rain in the areas they cover. Next.
Okay, supporting factor number one, uneven surface temperature, variation in soil temperature due to difference in surface type. Number two, air humidity, high humidity level allow cloud to form. Number three, local winds. Wind movement to the direct moist air misses. Last one, topography and landform. Suck a mountain can trigger air uplift. Uh, this is local shower often occur in urban areas or regions with strong local heating and can be accompanied by lightning and strong wind.
All right, everybody. That's it for our presentation about local rain formations. I hope that this presentation will be useful in the future for you, for all of you. And without furthermore, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke,
Dah, beres.
harusnya beres ya.